Hey guys, video 3, the finale. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We are going to do the touch up, glue, and finish up. So we did the texture in our very unique video last week. I got some cool responses on that. Where we walked around our houses or wherever and got the texture to put in the different things, okay? Today, and we've cut it out. So after we did all the texture, I went ahead and cut it out. What you're gonna do is pick yourself, if you don't have this light blue, you can do dark blue as well. But I'm gonna come here and now we're gonna start gluing these down and finishing off, and I'm gonna go out just a little bit more so you can see. We're gonna do some touch up. So first things first, choose your glue. I am gonna go ahead and just do stick glue. If you have liquid glue, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm just gonna cover the back of my turtle. And we know he'll fit this paper because we cut him out of a piece that was the same size. Okay, now I'm gonna line him up, make sure he fits on the paper. We know he'll fit, we just wanna make sure we put it on right, back to where it was. Voila! And I just make sure I press down. If there's an edge with the stick glue, I just go back over. It's not as strong as the liquid, but be careful with the liquid so it doesn't like flow out of the sides. Okay? Oops. See, there we go. Alrighty, looking good. A little bit more there. Nice. All right, now, what I'm gonna do, if you want to, I had one class do it, you can put flows of water, like 2 streams of flowing waters in the back, that's fine. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take my pastel. If you have a crayon or whatever it is you wanna use, that's fine. I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna add bubbles. Draw a circle with a parallel line to make the shininess. Different sizes, one big one, small one, tiny. And I'm gonna put these bubbles kind of all over the place. And I'm also gonna put little lines here to indicate that he is, these are speed lines kind of, but it indicates that he is moving and swimming. It's a little trick. Okay, you don't have to add those, that's fine. But I'm just putting the bubbles. Now what I meant by the current, what I had people do, we're sitting here, they put a flow of water, maybe 2. And then what they did, they went and added another line that was parallel. And then they either did it this way or that way. I would prefer going horizontal while he's going vertical. You don't have to do this. It was just something we were talking about with the flow of water. And then I just kind of go in with a couple of stripes back and forth. Doesn't have to be colored in completely. And what it does, it makes it look like water's just flowing. Because the turtles, there are type, and you saw it in Finding Nemo, there are turtles that go with that current. You remember the little guy goes, you were like, whoa, then you were like, whoa, then you were like, whoa. So that kind of thing. So if you want to add that, then glue it down, that's fine. And then we can go in here and add the bubbles. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit more tiny ones. I don't wanna go too crazy. Just have some fun with this. And then if I don't like the texture on some of them, one of them I was a little irritated was these came out good. This one wasn't so much. I go in there and infer. That's called pointillism, is do dots. So I can spruce up a little bit. You can actually make, I don't have a scrap paper, so just playing with scrap paper. You can make fake texture as well. We have cross hatching, you have the pointillism you just saw me do, all kinds of stuff. So you can cheat and make it look like that. Like if I'm drawing Thing from Marvel, he's a rock monster, I would use these dots and different things to make him rugged and rough, okay? But we went outside and we actually found things that were rough and jagged. So there you go. Now, once you're done with this, turn this in the picture, submit it, do the quiz, pretty simple. Then, if you're done, you don't have to turn this next part in. I want you to find something, make something original. Like I said, someone did a castle. They went out on this brick and they shaded and made a castle, something original. You don't have to send it to me unless you want to send it to me in message to show it off, by all means. This is the only thing you have to turn in. But reason I'm giving these extra projects at the end of the project, all right, one, I'm spacing these out to give you more time and not overwhelm, but two, I want you to do something without me there with you. In other words, your own creativity. How would you use the texture and so forth? Okay, guys? All right, so we'll get to our next project. I'll drop video 1 for that next week. If you have any problems, let us know. Any questions, message me. Otherwise, be safe, take care of each other, and I will see you next Tuesday. Alrighty, bye-bye.